question video series. Today I'll be talking about the question set 10, and here's the question. Graphically Central College was the only active school in the area during the war season. There were only 15 students in the school. Also, there were only 5 teachers, and one of them was the principal of the school. The principal decided to add all the student details in a student's attendance marking system, so he would be able to mark the attendance after the main morning assembly at once. Think you're a reputed database engineer and the principal requests to make a database while another developer is developing the system. The details have been given below. So they have given the details of the students and the grades, village and transport method here, and they have asked us to create a database name called Graphically School and insert this data to tables graphically. So here I have done this question by using MySQL Workbench, and I have given the I have created this database by using the ER diagram, and you can see I have renamed my module as Graphically School. And if you go to our ER diagram, I have given the I have made 4 tables here. One is student, village, grade and transport tables, and I have given the one-to-many relationship to from student to village and student to grade and student to transport. And so I have forward this database and made the forward this diagram and made the ER diagram here. So here you can see I have created the Graphically School database, and also I have added the database data to this table graphically. And here you can see I have added the all the data to our database graphically here. After you created the database, the principal wanted to check your database for bugs. He has given you some sceneries. Read them carefully and write queries to get the results. So principal wanted to check the bugs of our database. So he has given us some questions. So we have to solve these questions by using a query. And first question is, select all the students who studied in grade 6, and they have asked us to use the join query here. So if you go to our database, here you can see I have given a query, a select query to select student ID, name, birthday, grade, gender, student village ID and transport ID from our Graphically School, and have used the inner join to take the student grade here. So if I execute this query, you can see the details of our student who studied in grade 6 will display like this. And if you go to the second question, select the birthdays of the student who come from Padaviya by bus. So they are asking us to select the birthdays of the students who come from Padaviya by using the bus. And here you can see I have given the query to select the birthdays of the student who come from Padaviya by bus. And if I execute this, you can see it display the birthdays of the students who come from Padaviya by bus. And if you go to the last question, select name of the student who study at grade 9 and come from Mihintalayan Foot. So we have to select the student who studied at grade 9 and come from Mihintale on foot. So here I have given the query. Select query from our, I have given so select student name from student table, and I have given inner join from transport table to take the transport ID, and the again an inner join to take our village ID from our village table, and a grade ID from our grade table, and where grade is equal 9 and village is equal Mihintale, and transport method is equal food. So if I execute this, name of the students are displayed here. It's Vatsala Shani and Amarabandhu Rupasingha. So those two students are the one who's studying in grade 9 and coming from Mihintale by foot. So that's how I have done my question set 10. Thank you.